everyone, and welcome to a new video for Solana. And Solana, what it did on the daily chart is a beautiful pattern, bullish pattern that we have seen the last week. So I think this now we are very close to finish this bull pattern, which is forming a wave 1, right? If we look in a bigger view, we can see that we have a 1, 2, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 in orange, finishing the green wave 3 for the green count 1, 2, 3, and 4, and we are looking at a fifth wave for Solana towards the upside. Now, this wave 5, would it go directly to the upside? Of course not in one line. This is kind of like a little bit, it could be too much to go directly straight. But what we are expecting is a wave 2, right? After reaching exactly here the wave 4, exactly with the fib levels. So for a wave 2 here, can we consider this as a wave 2? If we take the fib level from here to the top of this, we can see that we have reached only the 0.23 fib level, which is not a fib level for wave 2 at all, right? So this cannot be considered as wave 2 fib level. Rather, it's an extension for that wave 1, all right? So, or it's the 5, it's the wave 5 after the wave 4 of the wave 1. Okay, so what we are expecting, of course, is that the wave 2 reach the minimum requirement exactly here, right, in this green box, which are very common for wave 2. However, of course, the 0.38 is also, you can start to consider that this could be a support for the wave 2 or a target, right? So we are expecting from here or from the 0.5 or the common area, the most common area, which is in the green box, between the $145 and $136, right? So these are the expectation on the daily chart. If we go further into the 1 hour chart, we can see that, let's go to the 1 hour. Here we go. We can see that this wave 4, where we have just made a fib level already there, we saw that the 0.23 has been touched here as well, and again here for the other bullish scenarios. So what we see inside the wave 5 is double 1, 2, okay, in teal and yellow, finishing the wave 3 in teal, 4 and 5 in teal, all right, claiming that the wave 3 also in yellow has finished, and having 1, 2, 3, and 4 in yellow again, touching the fib level required and going to a fifth wave. Now, the fifth wave, does that mean the 5 goes there? Potentially, but we're gonna get closer to this to see what's going on. Before doing this, I just want to make sure also that we have reached the fib level for a wave 4 here, because yeah, definitely. Okay, okay. So, all right. What's going on inside here now? Inside this wave 5, we can see kind of like a very straight line, right? And I cannot start exactly the wave 5 from that point as a 1, 2, because the second point has reached under this point. So this is a lower low. I cannot consider this is like 1 and 2, which is a little bit weird here, right? I just want to check what happened before. After wave 3, we have kind of ABC, A, B in 3 wave, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, yes. Yeah, so that's very normal, yeah. It's a very normal ABC, finishing exactly here and starting a wave 5 from there. However, this wave is a very sharp and very long, right? Not having even any retracement. If we take the retracement from here to there, did we touch the 0.23? Yes, okay, at least. However, it's not a target for a wave 2. A 23 fib level cannot be a target for wave 2. Therefore, what I'm thinking here about is, okay, if we take then this one here, yeah, then here is considered that we have touched the wave 2, of course. Okay, so yeah, what I'm expecting in Solana then, yeah, this is this is very tricky. This is a very one line out to the upside, and 1, 2. Even I cannot really count even this as 1, 2 because I don't think it has touched the fib level. Solana is yeah, doing something very strong here. All right, so I have to consider this whole one wave. Okay, the whole thing here, all right, is one wave. Then I have no option. Yeah, so this is the reality. So 1, 2, and 3. Okay. And 4 and 5, and maybe in that case we are going to a diagonal, and that might be the reason. Okay, a contracting diagonal normally has the biggest wave, all right, the largest or longest wave in the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So that might be the reason. Okay, and possibly this is the thing. Okay, so what we are watching for is a contracting diagonal 1 and 2 and 3, expecting 4 and 5 towards the upside. I'm gonna put this in green, a little bit bigger also in a micro. Here we go. Right, so then that means the wave 5 might go to an extension, all right, over there after finishing this diagonal. All right, so if you wanna get a much more clear, you can already bring that trend here, trend line from those two higher high and those two as well if you want. Okay, however, we are this one can be linked to the 4, where the 4 bottoms. Okay, so it might go somewhere here, right, then goes to the 5. Okay, so that would be the 4 and the 5 here. Okay, so that might be the thing. To have much more clear evidence, yes. Okay, I see here, if we take, for example, a path with a length, yeah, with a length of 1, okay, and we take this one here, yeah, this is expected. This is what is expected. It's totally fine. All right, it's perfect. Okay, now we see the reason of this. But however, this trend line here is very strong. Okay, so that is a good signal for Solana, right? So how much strong and strength it has. Okay, so but that might be the thing. So we might arrange or go higher towards the 200. Okay, for Solana. So that's it for Solana. After this, what do I expect? What do I expect is a downtrend, of course, a correction. There's nothing that it goes high the whole time in one line. We need a retracement, okay? We need a correction. And that correction might reach the common area, okay, which is between 147 and 135, maybe stopping at 163 for the 38 fib level, okay, or the 155. However, start to expect from 163 a support for the wave 2, okay. But what we want to see exactly, okay, wherever it stops, what we need to see is 3 waves down, okay, whether it stops here or there or even there, okay. So this is what we need to see. 3 waves down and then moving up again towards the upside. So that was it for Solana. I hope that you liked the updates. If you did, please press the like button and subscribe if you didn't yet. And I hope that you have I wish you to have a nice day. See you in the next video.